Hey everyone, I'm Lindsey and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. We've got a lot of updates to cover, so let's dive right in. Our Discord community is at 3,641 members. This is the perfect opportunity for you to dive into a community of tech enthusiasts who are all about pushing the boundaries of technology. In social media news, we announced a new partnership with Nanar. Nanar will be assisting us with our Farcaster APIs and infrastructure. This collaboration is set to streamline the onboarding process for Farcaster devs wanting to utilize IPFS, enhancing our support and extending our capabilities within the tech community. This week we're spotlighting Serenade. Serenade is an innovative music company revolutionizing the way music is consumed and collected. Serenade has developed a unique music NFT marketplace where fans can buy, sell, and trade digital musical collectibles. These aren't just any music files, they're digital pressings, premium digital albums packed with high-resolution tracks, bonus audio, and exclusive visual content. Serenade's mission is to forge a deeper connection between artists and their audiences while opening up new revenue streams in the digital age. Looking ahead, Hack Midwest is just around the corner. Set for September 28th and 29th, this is Kansas City's largest app building competition, drawing over 300 software engineers. Plus, this year, Matt Decker, the Chief Data and Information Officer at NASA JPL, will be in attendance. If you're an engineer who loves to build and innovate, you won't want to miss this event. Stay tuned for application details and prepare to join a thrilling challenge. Last but not least, let's dive into how to use IPFS for meme coins. While our previous discussions have covered launching a meme coin on Farcaster, many meme coins exist outside this platform and use different distribution mechanisms. A common element among them is the use of IPFS to store meme images associated with these tokens. Whether it's a community-driven token like Degen on Farcaster, which uses images to foster community spirit, or a platform like Pump.Fun that requires an image for each meme coin launched, IPFS plays a crucial role. Our latest blog post will guide you through the simple steps of uploading and associating meme coin images with IPFS using Pinata, ensuring your tokens are both engaging and effectively distributed. And that's it for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more content from Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye y'all!